Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5072033, because of this error code, that is 0x800f0982. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update in Windows settings, then click on pause over here, click on pause, and once it is paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on background and then click on restart. Now find app readiness in the list. So scroll up somewhere at the top, you will find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on app readiness and then click on restart. Now you can check, still not working, then run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the first command and then type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, it will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key, and once the second scan, this scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key, and once the third scan is 100% complete over here, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, write down the name of the update, that is KB5072033 over here, and then click on search. Now over here, let me change the language over here. Now over here, check your version. So to check your Windows version, type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command and check your Windows 11 version. In my case, it's version 25H2, and then check the system type. So open Windows settings, go to system, go to about option, and over here you will see the system type. In my case, it's x64 64-bit operating system. Now for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download and then you will see the update KB5072033 over here. Click on this link, blue hyperlink, and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually. So just let the download complete, click on it, just follow the on-screen instruction, and once that is done, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then go to advanced option, scroll down. Here you can see recovery option, click on it. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, now you can restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file and then click on accept over here. And then by default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once done, click on finish option over here and let this close automatically. Do not close this manually. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So hit install, and after the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.